Okay, go.
SysBasher is a program that does like system testing. So like to stress testing.
Oh, it's a stress tester. Is it just probably is it a bunch of scripts that just feed on the system?
Well, and then it monitors and does like a couple other things. And I tried running it on my Ubuntu, but you have to compile it, and I was missing something for compiling it. But on my Fedora machine, I was able to just yum install and it ran. And I mean, it pulls on
You could just do an app.
bad, but
There's no apt-get install for it.
no, there isn't.
So they only package it in RPM. They don't package it in dev.
Correct. So, and it's supposed to help, like if you're having intermittent hard drive problems, then it should help you be able to figure out whether it's like the cable or if there's a sector's going bad or if like controller's going bad or something like that. So I haven't really gotten into messing with it, but I heard about that on one of the podcasts I was listening to. So,
That's
yeah.
interesting. So it's just a package in Fedora, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So again, I don't understand. You get like a testing tool, and then suddenly you're talking about how it helps you resolve problems with cables. I don't get
Because
it.
it does stress testing on the hard drive.
Oh, okay.
And then I think there's options to be able to do other things, like swapping and
Oh, okay.
turning swapping on and off.
All right, so you could just maybe fire this up every once in a while, save the results, and then look at it later and see where you are. And
Yeah,
oh,
good.
cool.
For benchmarking.
Oh, yeah.
So you can tell whether your system's starting to slow down because of something with that. From what I've read, or what I was told, that it does it for a lot of different things on the system, but from everything I've seen so far, I've only seen the hard drive testing on it. But it can help you, because if you have to read through all the logs, and then that'll tell you, whether reading and writing's fine, but there's something else missing, and then you can from there decide whether it's a cable or what's going on.
So do you know anything more about so what was you say the name was?
SysBasher. Basher.
SysBasher.
SYS_BASHER.
Okay. Do you know where that would be available, or do they have a sysbatcher dot?
I was trying that. I kept getting
It's like
some banker in Qatar.
Poly something website. The websites are
Just said Basher, but _Basher.
Yeah.
That helps.
okay. Well, here I'll get on.
So do you know if it's like
Google search results near you.
open source or?
Actually, I can't remember. I'll bring it up on the website and we'll figure it out.
Oh, it must be in split mode, Tony, because you still have my desktop.
I was going to say, that's a pretty large font you use there.
Yeah, Polybus. Where's the mouse? So as you come down here, you can see there's, Fedora, RPM packages, CentOS packages, but then you can download just the source here and compile it. It's a multi-threaded CPU, memory, and disk exerciser. Its purpose is to provide system reliability testing. It is not designed to identify individual failed components.
Which is exactly what you said it was good for, right?
He'd like to rethink that statement.
I was just repeating what somebody else said, so.
Okay, cool.
We appreciate you making that decision.
Yeah.
Well, at least
No, we
you know
don't.
that there is a problem and that we should look for
And
it.
then you can,
It's probably so that they can't be blamed for, oh, well, I just replaced my hard drive and I didn't fix it. No, it's your tool's problem.
Yeah, and I mean, it might say something like bus failure or something, just not say.
the first thing I do when I think I'm experiencing hardware failure is I run that mem test.
Yeah.
Because had I figured out to run it sooner, a couple years ago, I would have not bought a new motherboard and only
Just
bought a new
replaced-
stick of RAM.
You replaced the battery.
And I initially thought it was the video because I was getting weird video signals and various things on my display.
Yeah, because messed up RAM will will give you the wackiest problems, man.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I had
so-
one that would only fail maybe like every 3 days or
Yeah.
something.
When it gets warm
No,
sometimes.
it wasn't
Or it has to
bad.
use the right, it has to use that sector that's.
No, but I
right
used
up
it for
to-
years in Windows and it never was a problem. And then when I started using Linux, it would just,
Well, because Windows is much more fault tolerant. It'll just ignore the part that's bad.
oh, that's good. So it's not a fault, it's a feature, huh?
That's right.
Oh, God.
Okay, great. Any,
Whereas Linux expects to be able to use all the resources that are there.
Yeah. But it was weird, sometimes it'd be 5 minutes and sometimes it'd be 3 days before it would trip. And finally I ran down, it'll be the exact same place every time.
okay, anything more on SysBasher? We got more questions, more comments? No, okay, thank you, Tony.